everyone, my name is Mona. I am originally from the Philippines and currently living here in the Netherlands for 4 years now. I have been part of the Primark team here in Amsterdam for 3 years. In this short video, I am going to share to you 3 tips that help me learn Dutch. Do you guys want to know what are those tips? Tip number 1, know your interest. What I meant with this is knowing what you are engaged about or the things that you love the most. For example, for me personally, I like watching YouTube makeup tutorials. So instead of watching it in English, I switch it in Dutch. So for your interest also is reading books, then start by maybe reading some children books in Dutch. By then also, like I said, it will help you develop your vocabulary. Tip number 2, practice makes perfect. The best way to gain your confidence in practicing or learning a language is to speak it daily. So for example, together with your colleagues at work or during your break time at work, you can start by a short conversation. Try to speak it in Dutch. So basically what I meant with this is taking advantage on a small day-to-day opportunities. Tip number 3. So my last tip is keep calm and stay positive. So learning a language can be frustrating sometimes. Learning a language is just like learning a new skills. So remember that it doesn't have to be perfect in the beginning. So what you have to do is keep on practicing. Keep on starting a conversation, like a small conversation in Dutch. It doesn't have to be perfect. Don't worry, everyone will understand you. So these are basically the tips that help me learn Dutch. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you in my next one. Bye!